Hey guys, welcome to my video. So this video is going to be how to reset the required maintenance light on your Honda. So basically that light comes on because it's pretty much a reminder to get your oil change, to get certain things done on your car as far as intervals and stuff like that. So I did get my oil change and the light is still on. Of course, if you guys are like me, you guys probably Googled it, YouTubed it, and there are variations on how to do it. All right, some of these variations I've seen videos where the car's on, you press the select reset light and hold it for 10 seconds, turn the car off, and then turn the car back on. Didn't work for me. I tried it so many times. I tried it a couple of times last night. Didn't work for me. And this was on a major channel on YouTube. Also, I actually Googled it, and the instructions were put your key in the on position, which is before the car turns on. Press the light, press the select reset button for like 10 seconds, hold it there until it stops blinking, turn it off. Didn't work either. So this is the official way to do it. All right, this is the official way to do it. All right, what you're gonna do is you're gonna have your car off. All right, with the car off, what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold the select reset light. You're gonna hold it. All right, you're gonna hold it while you turn your car on. You're gonna hold it while you turn your car on to the on position, not with the engine running, but to the on position. All right. So you're gonna hold it there for 10 seconds. 1,000, 1,000. It's gonna start blinking. That maintenance required light is gonna start blinking for 10 seconds. 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000, 8, 1,000, 9, 1,000, 10, 1,000, 11, 1,000. At some point, it's gonna stop blinking. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your finger off the select reset button. You're gonna turn your car off, and then you're gonna turn your car back on, and just like magic, the light disappears.